Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's D. We got a video here by AutoTop and right here, AutoTopNL. Okay, yeah. So we got this video right here. Supercars and Superbikes on the Autobahn extreme speed flybys. I told y'all the other day that I was gonna go ahead and check out some of these flybys from the Autobahn because it's gotta be crazy, man. They got like all these different supercars and stuff on this highway going extreme speed. So, I thought I'd just go ahead and check it out. But yeah, man, hope you guys doing good. Hope you guys doing well. Without further ado, let's get into this thing, man. And first car we got up is the Porsche 992 GT3, baby, with the stock exhaust. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Dang. Ferrari F12. Same Ferrari. Dang. Yeah, if you're a truck on this highway, bro, you best stay in the right lane. Shit get wicked out here, bro, on this highway. Look at that. I don't even know what that was. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. We got an SVJ. I know them cars sound crazy. Woo! Suzuki? We got a bike, baby. Bikes sound really gnarly too, though. It's like a higher pitch than like a car. Woo-hoo. Like it's already crazy going that fast on this highway with the car, bro. It's even crazy to me going that fast with a bike, though. Hold up, pause. I don't know what that was. M3 G80. Ooh. Sounds good, sounds good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, wait. With the FI exhaust? That thing sounds amazing, dude. Yeah, big G80. You can still hear him, bro. He's way down here. That's how loud that car is. A Continental? Oh yeah. Bro, when it comes to luxury vehicles, I would take the Bentley over the Maybach and the Rolls Royce. Not even lying. We go Turbo S. Oh, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. It's the same one? Yeah, Turbo S, baby. He's out of here. I want to know how fast they going, though. Like, I wish we had, like, a little speedometer thing right here or something. Clocking out how fast they were going by. Woo, we go Urus. Mansory Urus. Damn. That Urus was gone, bro. We didn't even get to really see it. Look how fast this Urus flies by, though. Like, he's already gone. Dog, that's crazy. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, that bike sounds nice. That bike sounds nice. Ferrari F99 or 599. Oh, we got a GTR. Ooh, we got a GTR. We got a Nismo. A Nismo at that. Damn, that's a dream car of mine right there, bro. That's gonna be in my dream car garage one day. Watch. Not that Ferrari. This GTR right here. Look, bro. That white goes hard on the Nismo. STO. Ooh, that trim was freaking fire. Y'all seen that trim on there? Oh, that is beautiful, bro. I've never seen an STO with this color. It's white with blue. I'm sure all this is carbon right here. I'm sure that's all carbon. That is fire. My boy's sitting at having lunch while all these cars are flying by. That's awesome, bro. I kind of wish US had a highway like this. I'm gonna have to drive all. I have to fly all the way to Germany to get on this joint. Hey, would y'all take a trip on the Autobahn? Let me know down in the comments. I would take a trip on the Autobahn. I'm not gonna lie. I weigh like 200 and something miles per hour. I would go crazy. We go McLaren GT. A lot of people don't like the GT. I think it looks alright though. Oh, that was not that. Was that same McLaren, bro? Damn. Damn. This dude's going like freaking 30 miles an hour right now, though. It made that flyby look crazy. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We got another bike. Hey, actually, I'm gonna ask this question on my community page. But yo, what car would y'all drive on this highway? What car are y'all going over 150 miles per hour in on this highway right here? For me, it's gonna have to be that Nismo GTR, baby. With the SVJ. I know SVJ would go crazy too. Shoot, and a Bugatti. Why not? The Veyron. Oh no, not the Veyron. The Chiron. We go Chiron on them, bro. I would definitely have the Chiron on this highway. What is this? It's an old R8? It's definitely an R8, but I don't know. No. It's an Audi TT. Audi TT RS. Those things look like R8s. Low key. Woo! What the? That was that same Audi? Damn. I see you, my boy. Now I don't, cause you gone. You had a frame. You out of the video. Ferrari F8. Oh yeah, that Ferrari is nice looking. That Ferrari is nice looking, bro. Wow. You can still hear the bike. Man. That's legendary though. That's absolutely legendary, man. This is a Ninja. R8 V10 Spider. Woo! Big V10, baby. Big V10. You can still hear it. Shit. Yeah, if I'm a regular driver, I'm staying so far away from that left lane, it's not even funny. I'm staying so far away from that left lane. Because them cars come up so fast, bro, you have no time to react. They come up so fast, bro. That right lane is my best friend on this highway. If I'm in my daily driver, bro, that right lane is my best friend. Damn. Freaking fire clips though, bro. That was some fire clips. Y'all let me know which one was your favorite on this. I would have to say between that STO and the R35, bro, for sure, man. That was freaking fire. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Let me know some other videos go ahead and react to, and I hope you guys have a good and blessed day. Peace out.